Nandito tayo ngayon sa kwarto ng anak ko. Yan, dito lang muna yung angle natin guys kasi ito yung medyo maganda-ganda na angle ng kanyang kwarto. Kasi medyo makalat. Later on, makikita ninyo kung gaano kakalat. Anyway, I just wanna share with you guys. My husband just hang up on the phone. Yeah, kakatawag niya lang and the guy is coming this Monday to pick up the box. Isa lang siguro muna or dalawa lang yung ipapaship namin para, you know, unti-unti lang kasi hindi naman tayo mayaman dito sa States. And also, I'm quite happy kasi nakapag-inquire din kami kung ano yung policies nila, kung mag-ship out ka ng appliances, ganun. Yeah, and sa mga baguhan nga pala dito and sa mga returning viewers natin na not quite sure if what is going on with our family is planning to relocate in the Philippines. Yeah, and we are in the process of getting things together, paper-wise, and you know, yung mga little stuff na kakailanganin sa Philippines, ganun. So, ayan, kaya we're always busy, ganyan. Anyway, as what I've mentioned, I am planning to clean my daughter's room kasi guys, kahit anong gawin natin talaga, everything gets out of control after a while. So, hindi ko muna ipapakita sa inyo lahat. Meron akong mga clothes dito ng anak ko na nilagay ko na lang kasi parang super messy and I'm going to put them away and then after that, I'll show you kasi I wanna knock down this part of the bed kasi nga bunk bed yung yung bed ng anak ko, diba? So I'm gonna knock this down since we don't expect for her siblings to be coming. Kami na lang yung pupunta doon sa kanila before yung flight namin to the Philippines. So i-knock down natin ito para unti-unti, you know, we can throw things away.
Hello guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make an LOL doll pencil. So
Okay.
yeah, so first take the LOL girl's head off and then get her on the pencil. It should be only a color pencil. You can't use any other pencils and it has to be this kind, Crayola. And if you don't have Crayola, then try other pencils. So always stick the LOL girl's head on it and there it is, an LOL pencil, and you can also bring it to school.
Inapon ko na yung parang frame dito.
Excuse me, mommy.
Yeah.
Rihanna was able to successfully bring it into school, which I told you. And the kids, they didn't get jealous because you know why? It was actually one of the students which gave an LOL doll to her. So yeah, that's the good thing. And also about it, if I went to school and it's like most kids they gave
In pre-K3 or pre-K4?
yeah, I forgot whatever school it was, but one student gave me something. I forgot what the toy was. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I'm so sorry, girl. Let me just stick you onto the pencil because it's cute.
Yeah. Yes.
Also, guys, if you don't put the LOL girl in your pencil, make sure to take it off. Let me just stick her back to her body. And there she is in her original body.
There you go. I don't need any hammer.
Oh, great! Now the obstacle is cleared.
Okay, can you remove all your stuff out of here na? Sige, na natin ito sa
Okay, guys. No more obstacles blocking this way.
Yeah.
Can you
So, gagawin ko yan dito na play area ni Rachel. Yan para hindi masyadong napagod na ako kaagad. Hindi masyadong makalat dito. Tingnan kasi kahit anong gawin kong paglilinis and pag-organize, it always gets out of control. So, I need to do something para hindi masyadong mabigat sa ating sandali lang.
Look at
What is it? You wanna help now?
Yeah, it says bare feet. bare feet. No, show it. Show it there.
Where is it?
So it says bare feet. That's what I drew when I was younger.
Yeah. Nakalimutan ko na yung sasabihin ko. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, about this. So, parang hindi masyadong mabigat sa ating, sa ating utak kapag nag-work tayo kasi, na nanay, I'm not complaining ha. I'm just saying na I need to do something para hindi masyadong mabigat sa akin. Yan.
Addiction. You must.
So, natanggal na natin yung ibang bahagi ng bed. So, ito naman ang ating kakalikutin. Yan siya. So, nag-start na ako. Yan. So, dito naman, next. Di ba? Para lang ako naglalaro. Nagtatapos lang natin. Ito siya. Wait. I'm not sure kung dadalhin namin ito sa Pinas or what. So, i-vacuum. Tanggalin muna natin yan, guys. And then, i-vacuum ko ito. So, dito naman tayo sa science corner ni Rachel. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong area sa kanyang room. Kasi nga, mahilig ako sa science, char. Yan yung paboritong subject na tinuturo ko. And yan, meron tayo dito mga exhibits. Yan, nagagamit natin kapag nagtuturo tayo ng science. Yan, meron siyang sarili niyang microscope. Ayun, nandun sa likod. Meron tayong ear. Meron ding heart dyan. Pinaka-paboritong topic ni Rachel is ang about sa heart talaga. Yan. So, anyway, start na tayong maglinis kasi it's almost getting dark and I am scared that I will not be able to finish this tonight.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming 'cause I feel the sun. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over. You should be here with me. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming 'cause I feel the sun.
So, tapos na akong gawin yung top ng cabinet ni Rachel. Ayan. So, ngayon naman, I'm gonna be doing the first shelf of her cabinet. These are her curriculums. Some of these, by the way, are her previous curriculum nung nasa second grade or third grade pa siya. And yeah, I am also about to purchase her new curriculum for her fifth grade. Ayan, so it feels really good, guys, na malinis yung paligid natin. I don't know why, but cleaning gives me some kind of satisfaction talaga. I feel like I am taking control of my space, and and masarap siya sa pakiramdam yung it feels at peace. I feel at peace kapag malinis yung aking paligid. Yan. So, by the way, these books on the left nga pala, these are Rachel's Language and Arts curriculum. Bale, The Good and the Beautiful yung ginagamit namin, pero I ended up purchasing another curriculum from another company kasi yung The Good and the Beautiful, although okay siya, pero may area siya wherein the homeschooler parent should be the one to read, ganon. So parang may interaction siya between the teacher and the student, which is kapag wala ako sa bahay, hindi ko nagagawa. So I don't want her to feel na nobody's doing it for her. So that is why I ended up buying another curriculum. Pero ginagamit pa rin namin siya kapag nasa bahay ako and may time ako na to do it with her. Yan. So, ito naman yung sa mga crafts ni Rachel, crayons, markers, etc. and some miscellaneous stuff. Mahilig ako na maglagay ng organizer. Yan. So, para hindi masyadong makalat yung yung mga bagay-bagay. Char. Okay, anyway, I hope you guys will enjoy this video.
your life, and who will be there. So
What are you trying to paint, Rachel?
I'm gonna be painting a rainbow,
Mm-hmm.
and it's
Good job.
yeah.
Why?
Are they record? Are you recording? me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because I'm cool and I'm
I already
very
know
pretty.
why.
And then I'm very pretty, and then my face. Just look at my face and my cute little. Oh, wait, don't forget. Sorry, guys. You guys are pretty too.
Of course.
Yeah, all of you guys.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Yeah.
can you upload that part? Picture?
Yeah, sure. But anyway, I'm not done yet. Pero, nilagay ko ito dito. Kasi nagmamadali na siya. She wants to play. So, lalabhan ko lang yan siya ulit. I just wanna get a little idea ba kung anong gusto kong gawin dito. But, yeah, siguro ganituhin ko na lang siya. This is how I'm going to fix it. Si Rachel talaga ang nag-arrange niyan. She said she wants to put this picture here. Ito picture, ano niya rin yan, oh. Tinawag niya, ano yan siya, Big Max. Big Max Mint. Big Max, oh, Big Nose. Big Nose Mint. Yan. So, and then ito to cover the ano. And then dito, I will try to, wipe this off. I think that's from the TV. Yan, medyo gabi na. So, yeah, she just wants to finish her project para magawa niya yan bukas. So, ito pa ang ating sitwasyon dito na side.
Are you happy with me because I'm doing, at least I'm doing something.
Of course, always.
And plus, this is also educational too, painting.
Nandito ang asawa ko guys, pero hindi ko siya isasali sa video. Kasi wala siyang shirt. Yeah. Yeah, no. I had just mentioned it, Daddy. Kasi isasawin na.
They're big fans of Daddy's head. And Daddy's face, Daddy's whole and somebody's structure. So Daddy said that he likes the way out. Okay, Daddy said he likes the way I set up this. The way I set up that. Okay.
I'm sorry.
And I'm
Do you
sorry.
think we can
I'm sorry that I crashed into you.
So,
Don't go, not. Don't go, not. Don't go, not.
do you think we can get rid of this now? Or you're still playing with them?
Well, I'm still paying with them. And plus I need some of their pieces for stuff. So if I want to, I'll cut some of it.
But this is just a bookshop. We're not or just this.
Why are some people colorblind?
Yeah. I don't really know, but sometimes it has something to do with their with how they take care of their body. Like some people who abused drug. Okay. So during the next few weeks, every man, woman, and child in America heard about this funny word that kids were using instead of the word parent. And kids in Ohio and Iowa and New York and Texas and California started using it too. That's funny. Lord Lawrence was suddenly flooded with orders for everything or anything with the word fetal on it, and he quickly got interested again. But there were complications. Bob's lawyer said, "You see the stack of orders there?